guys, this is Mr. Nicholas coming to you in your new life for the next 7 weeks. I'll be giving you a bunch of these videos. We're going to start with Physics 2 here in kinetic theory. Now I know if you had me for a class, you've already done this. You have hopefully your PowerPoints, and all you're going to have to do next week is send them to me. And you're going to have to make sure the PowerPoints explain it. Now you can video yourself doing your PowerPoint, or you can just send me the PowerPoint. Either way, you're going to have to send me or share it with me, and then you'll see your grades pop up for next semester. Now, I'm wearing this mask because it's coronavirus time, obviously, and I'm within 6 feet of the camera, so I don't really want to give you guys this coronavirus, even though I don't have it. I've been self-quarantined for a month. But, you know, I'm just trying to practice safe quarantining or whatever we call this. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not really going to do that. So what we're going to do first is kinetic theory. Now, you've already learned this in the chapter on heat. Kinetic theory has 3 parts. It's all objects are made of minute particles. They are in constant motion, the particles are. And the particles have adhesive and cohesive bonds. So I guess cohesive's up here, so adhesive's down there. So you have these 3 parts. The whole chapter is about understanding that particles that you can't see do a whole bunch of stuff around you. We call these particles protons, neutrons, electrons. They're a bunch of subparticles that make those, and there's a bunch of bigger particles called atoms also that you can't see that make up the world around you. So we're gonna talk about in this unit how these things affect the world, and then you're going to go out online. You're going to find a project that has to do with one of the topics. The sheet like this is out there, and you can see the sheet has a bunch of cool stuff on it. And basically what it says is all the different topics you can do your presentation on. So when we're doing the presentation, what you're going to have to include is explain why your phenomenon, whatever you pick, and we'll give you a list, works with kinetic theory. In other words, does your project contain small particles? Are those particles doing something? Well, yeah, they're in constant motion. Well, are they moving fast and they're hot, or are they moving slow and they're cold? What exactly are they doing? And then, do they have cohesive and adhesive bonds? In other words, do they stick to each other really well, or do they stick to other stuff? And so I'm going to show you a couple of examples of what I'm talking about, and then you guys are going to go out and you're going to find a project. We're going to post the really good ones on our website. This is for Mrs. Coolich's Physics 2 class and mine. And mine already did the PowerPoint, as we said before. So those guys are all set, I hope. They were supposed to be delivering them on March 16th. We never got a chance to do that. So hopefully you still have those. Otherwise, you're going to be doing them over again. So we'll send this video up, and we'll be back with the next one in a minute.